The media that I met the governor and I said that between us, what happened was what we talked about was confidential. And then I said, come to the as we residence today. I have a message for you, but my message is more of the message of the new year. Again, I haven't talked with her, and I feel that it's not proper not just to divulge matters which he shared with me, which is more like request for, on my part, request for prayers and for a peaceful resolution of the some of quote unquote the Asahan Capitolio.
If you're to give a message or a prayer to the governor, to the suspended governor, what would it be?
My prayer is one of asking the Lord for strength in this moment of difficulty. I know that it's not easy to receive a suspension order. This time of the year when other people are enjoying Christmas, and she feels she should rather stay in the provincial capital. I have seen the office. No? There's no bed there. No, there's no shower, and I know how inconvenient. And yet, for her discernment is I should stay here because I am I am the duly constituted governor of the province, and according to her, it's to her discernment that she would rather stay until the day she hopes, and it would be soon, she would receive the ITR.